Welcome to our channel. Today, we're introducing a revolutionary product that will change the way you clean your windows forever, the Magnetic Window Cleaner. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. This double-sided magnetic window cleaner is equipped with an automatic water discharge system, making your window cleaning experience smoother and more efficient. No need for water spray. Save time and effort with our built-in water storage. Just use the cleaner directly on your windows and watch it work its magic. It can handle up to 8 kinds of stains, ensuring a spotless finish every time. Wet while wiping, this cleaner gets both sides of the glass in one go. Whether you have thin or thick glass, our cleaner is perfect for all. It's safe, efficient, and eliminates the risk of hand injuries. Say goodbye to the hidden dangers of hand clamping. Clean without any dead corners. Its large cleaning area and extra clean cotton make sure every part of your window is spotless. Your hands won't get tired, and you'll save time and effort. Upgrading to our patented product means more power and ease of use. Rotate the latch 90 degrees to replace the cleaning cotton quickly and effortlessly. Using the magnetic window cleaner is easy. Here's how. Put the safety rope around your wrist. Tilt the glass into the water. Add cleaning fluid. Cover and shake well. Wipe the glass parallel to the surface. It's that simple. Choose the right style for your windows. Blue for single-layer glass 3/8 mm, also suitable for fish tanks and car glass. Red for double glazing 8/15 mm. Green for double-layer thick glass 15/26 mm. Brown for 3-layer glass 20/30 mm. Make sure you select the correct size for the best results. Cleaning windows has never been this easy and efficient. The magnetic window cleaner brush is your perfect partner for a sparkling clean home. Get yours today and experience the difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing product reviews. Thanks for watching.